Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn about hidden file and folder and how can we use VBA to do some automation on them. Recently, I was trying to write a generic function that will extract file properties extensively. Like there is, I guess, 321 property for each file, and I want to extract all of those information. But I cannot do that using file system object. I have to use cell.application. And then I get this weird behavior that when I am using cell.application, then they will not be able to find those hidden files. Like this one, this is the hidden file and this is the hidden folder. If I just go into this view and uncheck, then you'll see that those hidden file is not viewable right now. But if I check this, then I'll be able to see those hidden file and folder. So in this video, we are going to learn how can we do this using VBA and how can we do automation on hidden file and folder. So let's see at first how can you get the hidden file and folder. Okay, so for this I'll just write a test sub. Okay, and we are going to use FSO, file system object, and cell.application. So let me just set it up. Let me just do this. Okay, so now I do have that both references set up. So let me just go with the FSO. Okay, so we'll use a folder path that is going to be this one, and we're going to try to find out all of those subfolder on this particular folder. So let's see, parent folder path, that is going to be this hard-coded value, shell32.cell, cell app is going to be new cell32.cell. Now parent folder cell32.folder. Yes, yeah. Now we need to use namespace cell app dot namespace, and then we need to pass this folder path. Okay, that is going to be this parent folder path. Now current folder item as cell32.folder item for each current folder item in parent folder dot items. Next, let me just print that name and Ctrl Z to get the immediate window. Now if we just run this, then you'll see that we get ADODB. So that is this Excel file, ADODB, and then CHDIR, that is this folder, but output.png, so that is this image file, and sample data file and save image. So sample data file, save image, but we haven't get this hidden file.txt and this particular folder.git, right? Actually, if you just want to see the folder, then we need to add one validation here. If current folder item is folder, then we want to print that name. In that case, it will just print if it's folder. So you can see CHDIR. So that is a problem, that it's not giving me the hidden file and folder from that particular parent folder. So before going into this solution, I would appreciate if you like my content, then please subscribe and share this content. Okay, so how can you solve this problem? So that's where this FSO will come in. So what we need to do, a similar idea like this. Okay, so let me just do that. So I'll just say FSO as scripting.filesystem object, do this one, new scripting.filesystem object, and same way parent folder FSO, let's say folder parent folder FSO equals to FSO dot get folder, and then folder path, that is going to be parent folder path. Now the subfolder is also a folder of type, so subfolder as scripting.folder for each subfolder in this parent folder FSO.subfolders. So we do have option to only look in the folders, I mean subfolder, or just file like this, subfolders. Okay, now what you need to do, we need to just print the name here for this example. Now let me just print using cell.application, and this is going to be dp on blank line using FSO, like this. Now if we run this, then you can see I get that hidden folder when I am using FSO, but when I am using cell.application I haven't. So that's how we can solve that problem. If you need that feature that it should give me the hidden folder or files, then use FSO instead of cell.application. If you know how can you do this using cell.application, please mention that in the comment of this particular video. So let's see if we want to do for the file. So I just need to do like not, right, and in this section it will be file and files. I should rename this as well, so file instead of folder. Let's see, press F5 to run that, and you can see that hidden file.txt is found when I'm using FSO. So that's it for this video. Let me know if you have any question or suggestion. Have a good day. Thank you.